Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can remove a notification virus like a tabula ads or other like that softwares from your OPPO Find N2 Flip. So at the start, if you see something like that, sorry about that. If you see something like that in your on your home screen or something like that in the notification bar, that means you have a notification virus, and we can try to remove it by two ways: by the default system settings and by the antivirus app. So we start from the first one, open the settings, go to the apps and app management, then check all of the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, just the app that you have not installed by yourself, just click on it and choose uninstall. After that, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Tap on it, choose the storage usage and tap on the manage space. Then tap on the clear all data and click OK. And your web browser should be free from notification virus. After that, you can also try to, if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. I'm always using Avast, but you can also try any other app. So in the Avast, we have to click next and skip. Tab on the continuous free and tab on the start scan. Add the permissions to the files and go back to the app. Now choose the scan type. I prefer always a deep scan. And now after the scanning process, the malwares and viruses will be deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.